Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today in part 3 of our LA 39 series, we continue south on East Judge Perez Drive as we enter the community of Violet, Louisiana. Violet is an unincorporated community and census-designated place with an estimated population of 5,755 as of 2019. The area now known as Violet was originally part of the Liverday Plantation. Violet sprang up after the development of the Violet Canal. It was named by canal booster Albert Covington Janine after his wife Violet Blair Janine, a Washington, D.C. socialite and part of the influential Blair family for whom the Blair House across from the White House in Washington, D.C. is named. Albert Janine spent his youth in St. Bernard Parish in the large Janine family home. His father, Louis Janine Sr., a prominent lawyer who had immigrated from France to New Orleans in 1828, sent his sons to Europe for their education, including Albert. Albert was a partner with his father's law firm, including the office in Washington, D.C., where he remained after marrying into the Blair family. His and Violet's life together is told in Virginia Jean Lass's book, Love and Power in the 19th Century, The Marriage of Violet Blair. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Here we turn right onto Bayou Road, which we've now seen in 2 previous videos. We start a brief concurrency with LA 46. We're in the community of Poydras, first settled in the 18th century by Isleños when Louisiana was a Spanish colony. Presumably the town is named for Julian Poydras. The locally constructed levee failed during the 1922 flood, and the community of Poydras was destroyed. Some historians claim that the levee break was intentional to save the city of New Orleans. The New Orleans River stage dropped 0.2 of a foot within 24 hours of the Poydras crevasse, and a sound levee had been inspected and reported only 30 minutes prior to the breach. Turn left, ending the concurrency with LA 46 and on to St. Bernard Parkway. We're now traveling parallel to the Mississippi River, although the levee isn't visible yet. Ahead on the left is St. Bernard State Park, created in 1971. The park contains 51 improved campsites, tent campsites, picnic areas, playgrounds, and a nature trail. We enter the community of Caernarvon, named for Caernarvon Plantation, once located here. The plantation's name is widely believed to be from a similarly named town and castle in Wales. Caernarvon was widely known for its role in the Great Mississippi Flood of 1927. Several tons of dynamite were used to destroy the levee in hopes of preventing damage to the city of New Orleans. However, this effort became less than fruitful when the levee system was breached in several other areas to the north, preventing the floodwaters from threatening New Orleans. It did cause major destruction in St. Bernard and Plaquemines Parishes. We conclude today's video as we enter Plaquemines Parish. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.